Our final project by Maria Inés Villarreal and Mariana Alvarez.
Hi, my name is Maria. We are team number 8, and this is our final project. For our final project, we were asked to solve this following question. In this question, we are asked to find the period, amplitude, vertical shift, and horizontal shift. But what are they? This is the general formula that we need to understand to be able to answer the question. What is amplitude? Amplitude can be known as the absolute value of A. It is the highest point from the center of the line to the peak. This can be measured from the highest to the lowest point and divided by 2. What is the period? The period goes from one peak to the next, or from any point to the next point, matching one. This one can be represented as 2 pi over b. What's the difference between a phase shift and a vertical shift? Next, we have the horizontal shift. This one is how far the function shifted horizontally from its usual position. In the formula, this one can be known as c. On the other hand, what is the vertical shift? Finally, we have the vertical shift. This one is how far the function moved vertically from its original position. In the formula, this one can be known as d. Now that we understand all the basic terms that are needed to solve this question, let's go ahead and try and solve it.
As a reminder, this is the question we have to solve.
So to get the same structure as this formula, we just need to write down this part. And what we're going to do is divide this over 2 to get the B as and the C to get it like this structure. So it would be 2x, and this one over 2 is 4, and this is to get to make the procedure easier and to make it similar. Okay, so now we are going to get the period and the amplitude. Okay, so it's easy. Since we have here the formula, we just need to say that amplitude is equal to the absolute value of A. So then amplitude, well, this is equal to minus 3, the absolute value of minus 3, which would give us just 3. So the amplitude of this problem will be 3. Then to get the period is the same procedure, well, with this formula. The period is equal to 2 times pi over b. And all the period is always measured as in radians, so we just leave the pi there, and we go that this is equal to the period being this one, the b being this one, so we just go 2 times pi over 2, and we cancel these ones, and the period will be pi. To get the vertical shift, we use the theoretical investigation just tells us that the vertical shift is equal to d, which in this case is 1, and the horizontal shift is c, which is equal to pi over 4. So to get all of this information, or to know how convert this one into this one, first we begin with the c, that will be the vertical shift, and we add it, and this will make the graph move to the left. Then we multiply times 2, that will be the b, and it will make the graph or the space between two continuous peaks being shorter, then we need to add the one that will be the vertical shift, and this will make the graph move up or down. In this case, it will make the graph move up, and at the end we'll make add the a or multiply by a, that in this case will be -3, and this will make the value between the minimum value and the maximum value bigger than it was before.